Well, hello, I am Lee Petticord, and I'm a professor of nuclear engineering here at Texas A&M University and the director of the Nuclear Power Institute. But I'm especially delighted on this 10th anniversary to extend both congratulations and good wishes to the Nuclear Security Science and Policy Institute here at Texas A&M. This was an extraordinary idea, in my view, whose time had really come. 10 years ago, in the 2005-2006 timeframe, we were keenly aware of a need to bring a technical focus to the field of nuclear security and safeguards. It was a time in which the emphasis on the field was increasing, but it was recognized that while there were a number of strong programs around the country, they were primarily policy-oriented. The strength A&M could bring to this was to combine both the technical aspects with the policy aspects, and this drew on the Department of Nuclear Engineering at the university and the Bush School of Government and Public Service. We had the good fortune also at that time of having leadership at the Texas A&M University system and at the university itself that recognized the opportunity for Texas A&M to play a key leadership role in this field. We had individuals such as Dr. Warren F. Miller, Jr., who was affiliated with the university, who went on to be Assistant Secretary for Nuclear Energy at the Department of Energy, Dr. Bill Charlton, Dr. Paul Nelson, who had been a longtime faculty member at the university, and other new staff members and faculty members coming in as well, too. So working with the leadership at the National Nuclear Security Administration, it was possible to launch this program. It really gained great reception at the federal level because the officials there recognized the void that NISP was filling with this combined policy and technical approach to this field. It was immediately successful. Graduates have gone on to make big impacts, not only at the federal level here in the United States, but internationally as well, too. The future for NISP is tremendously strong because, as we're all aware of the international developments, it's an area that continues to receive focus and to need attention. And so looking forward, NISP has done great things with the program, the GENI program, with the Gulf Nuclear Energy Infrastructure Initiative, with other things, training programs going on around the world, taking place both here in College Station and elsewhere, and really making the kind of impact. But certainly I believe our biggest contribution are the graduates that are coming out of the program and going on to these roles in many organizations and in several fields around the world. So again, let me close by extending my congratulations and good wishes. I believe NISP is going to grow and thrive and receive even more recognition and accolades for the good work that's going on here at Texas A&M and the leadership under Dr. Sunil Cherioth and Dr. Craig Mariano and others that are really making a significant mark and really providing the kind of people we need to assure a safe nuclear world.